Don't call us, we'll call you. Oh, goody. Don't you love hearing that when you're prospecting as a real estate agent? I used to say, so when should I check back with you? They'd say, Bob, don't call us, we'll call you. Yeah. So at that point, I have to make a judgment call. Okay. Generally, what I recommend is if I say, when should I check back with you? And they say, why don't you call me in 2 weeks? I'm going to call them in 1 week. I usually just cut it in half. And that way the Coldwell Banker sign isn't in the yard by the time I show up with my Century 21 coat on. So when they say, don't call us, we'll call you, I have to make a judgment call. Now, the thing to remember is there's 2 types of people in the world. There's the people that get offended for no apparent reason other than they're crazy, but they get offended that you're calling them back too often. Those people don't lead to a paycheck. Then there's the people who don't get offended because they're nice, normal, sane, smart people who are motivated to sell their house right now or in the near future at fair market value, whatever that turns out to be. And those are the people that do pay you. And with those people, it's better to follow up too often than not often enough. So there are several ways you can try Fearless Agent before you become a member. First, go to our website, fearlessagent.com, and go to the webinar in the upper right-hand corner in the banner. Click on that, watch that. It's about 45 minutes long. Take a bunch of notes. That's going to help you for sure. Number 2 would be watch all the videos on our website. Okay, there's lots of great training videos there. I guarantee you that's going to be better training for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. That's our guarantee. And then the third thing is you can call me. There will be a no pressure, no closing you, free complimentary coaching call. And we'll just find out who you are. And once we know who you are, then of course it's all about your customers. So we'll do a good job of seeing if Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. If it is, you're going to get rich. If it's not, I'll still help you in any way I can, because the main thing is we want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.